Welcome back, this is Olivia, and guys, you are watching my biography channel, BioStars. Today, I'm going to describe the biography of Aishwarya Rajesh. Who is Aishwarya Rajesh? Aishwarya Rajesh is an Indian film actress who is best known for her works in Tamil movies such as Attakathi, Jamant, Subhashi Shangal, Vada Chennai, Kana, and Dharma Dura. She won the Tamil Nadu State Films Award for Best Actress for her stellar performance in the movie Kaka Muttai in 2015. A born talent got her start as a television host and gradually transitioned to movies. Since then, she hasn't turned her back. After giving a bunch of commercial hit movies, Aishwarya became the most wanted actress in K-Town and has been roped in various high-profile films. With Daddy, she made her debut in Bollywood. Besides all this, she has a considerable following across social media platforms. Let's know about her quick bio. Birth name Aishwarya Rajesh. Nickname Aishu Ice. Profession actress, model. Date of birth January 10, 1990. Age 31 years old. Place of birth Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Nationality Indian. Residence Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Sun sign Capricorn. Ethnicity Telugu, Indian. Religion Hinduism. Height 5 feet 6 inches. Weight 58 kg or 127 pounds. Body build slim. Eye color black. Hair color black. Sexuality straight. Distinctive features high cheekbones, full lips. Let's know about her early life, family, and education. Aishwarya Rajesh was born to Telugu parents on the 10th of January 1990 in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. She has a brother named Manikanda Anigan Mohan. Telugu actress Srilakshmi is her aunt. She attended Sri Bailankanni Senior Secondary School in T. Nagar, Chennai until 10th grade and finished her high school at Holy Angels Anglo Indian High School Secondary School in T. Nagar, Chennai. She then obtained her BCom degree from 8 Heroes College for Women in Chennai. Let's know about her personal life. Aishwarya, unlike other performing artists in the creative industry, is usually non-vocal when it comes to her relationship status. Looking at her social life, the chances of her having a boyfriend are slim at best. In case if she has a boyfriend, she is good at handling it better than her peers, and it looks like she has no plans to reveal the identity of her boyfriend to fans yet. Let's know about her professional statistics. Film debut. Aishwarya made her first appearance in 2010 Tamil film Nithana Avan in an unaccredited role, and from there on she did around a dozen of films in Tamil in supporting roles and second lead. She attained fame and recognition for playing a mother of two in the 2015 Tamil film Kaka Muttai, directed by Manikandan. Thereafter, her fame and popularity has only enhanced, earning her a lead role in the 2017 Hindi film Daddy. This film marked her debut in Bollywood. Television debut. Aishwarya Rajesh was first appeared on the third season of dance reality show Manadanda Mayada and apparently on the lead title of the station. Also, she has appeared on television on several occasions promoting her movies. Her notable appearance came this year when she featured on television talk show The Kapil Sharma Show. Brand endorsements. Aishwarya has endorsed quite a few brands and has appeared in television commercials and print ads. Let's know about her net worth. Despite a talented actress with unmatched beauty, Aishwarya is yet get lucrative remunerations for movies. And apparently she had acted only small budget movies to this date, and once she gets herself fit into big movies, she may get her dream salary. The gorgeous actress hasn't yet purchased a home for herself and still lives in a rented house in Chennai. She owns a Hyundai i-Yellow. Let's know about her facts. Born in a family of actors, Aishwarya Rajesh decided to follow the footsteps of her father Rajesh, a famous Telugu actor. Despite being a natural star with unmatched beauty, this young lady faced a lot of struggles in attempts to get to where she has reached today. Aishwarya did several odd jobs, including a part-time sales girl in a supermarket, pamphlet distributor, and hosted small private events during her teenage days to meet her in. She also learned dancing during high school. She participated in the dance reality show Manada Mailiyada whilst in college and eventually won the station's title that marked her start in showbiz. Aishwarya gradually climbed up the ladder of fame, made herself known to the world when she entered into showbiz hosting a television comedy reality show, Asatha Povadu Yadu. Her breakthrough role in her career came in the form of a Tamil film, Kakamuttai, in which she played a mother of two slum kids which cracked at the box office. Her performance in the film gained her a Tamil Nadu State Films Award for Best Actress. Since this, Aishwarya's fame, reputation's popularity has changed. The dusk beauty with natural acting talents is the most sought-after actress in Kollywood and has over a half dozen of movies in her kitty. Aishwarya Rajesh has featured on the covers of popular magazines like Win Magazine. She has also endorsed a variety of brands and acting television commercials. So guys, many thanks for staying with us. No more now. See you later with biography of another stars. Take care. Bye.